ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ 2 ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Hello. Good morning, friends. How are you? Good morning, Ashwini teacher.
Good morning. Who are you?
Teacher, it's me, Montu.
How are you, Muntu? And why you're here?
Teacher, I'm here because I want to learn Hindi.
Oh, you want to learn Hindi?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Even my LKG children are learning Hindi.
Yes.
Now, we will sit together and we will all learn Hindi. But you have to revise. You have to read that daily. Okay?
Okay, teacher.